Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI, and if your kids like playing with all of the minifigures that are available today on the market, then they may enjoy this one. This is by Mini Brands, and this is the Disney version. Now this looks like a complete Disney store, and what's really fun is that the kids get to put it all together. So they can build the flooring, add in the shelving, and it comes with lots of little products. You can buy more to add on, but for the set that this comes with, it definitely has a store setup. You can mix it in with other little minifigures that you may have from other play sets. My daughter really enjoyed making it, and she has a friend that they like to play on it together and play store every time that they use it. The pieces are made all of plastic, but they are well made and durable. You have to be a little careful when you're moving the store around and picking it up because some of the flooring will come off. But overall, this is a really fun, cute little set. I really like that the little figures are in the packages. They're so teeny, but it makes it really fun for kids, especially if they're into Disney with this particular set. Nice little play set for your child. Definitely would be good for a girl or a boy, but that's just my point of view.